go to your MySQL workbench. Okay, so here you need to create a database with the name whatever the name you have mentioned here. Okay, so in this value, okay, so the URL value, so whatever the name you have mentioned, I have mentioned as many to one unidirection. So it helps me to, okay, so after performing some operation, okay, so after completing this course also, if I want to look into that particular relationship, okay, so at the time directly I can open this project and check the implementation in Java, and I can also refer the table. Okay, so yeah, so I have given the table name as many to one. Okay, so it helps me to identify uniquely. So that is the reason I'm giving this. So I would, okay, so if everyone follow the same thing, that will be better. Okay, now let me create a database. Okay, so to create a database, what I'm going to do is I will click on this icon. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so there is an icon called like a cylinder shape icon is there. Just click on that. Once you click on that icon, okay, a pop-up window will be received where we need to give a name for my database or a schema name I need to provide. Just I will give the name as many underscore two underscore one underscore uni. Okay, so once that is done, just click on apply. Once apply is done, just click again once again apply, finish. So now we can check. Okay, so we can check with the same name. Yeah, so database has been created. We don't have any tables, right? So we don't have any tables. Now let us come back and here. So in this SRC main Java, we guys need to provide the implementation for this example room and hotel. Okay, so guys, I will give some time. So take, so you guys sit and provide the implementation. Okay, so once implementation is done, okay, so like declare a room class. I will tell you now only. Declare a room class, declare a class called as room, and annotate with the annotation something or like entity. Then if we declare these fields like id, floor, room number, room type, and hotel object. Okay, so it can be declared. Okay, so here mention ID as a primary key. Okay, so use annotation like @ID to inform the Hibernate it is a primary key. So then once all the fields have been declared, then declare as usual like hotel class. Okay, and here you mention ID, name, location, and then once the implementation is done. Okay, so use an annotation like many to one. Then go for create a simple room DAO and write a logic to perform the persistent operation. Will you do that, guys? Sorry, will you do that one, guys? So, so meanwhile, if you have any like while performing that operation, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll be here only.